This is a small shopkeeper making fishing net for selling to the fishermen. This creates his extra income. The small shopkeeper, with hands weathered by years of toil, skillfully weaves each fishing net with precision. Surrounded by an array of tools and spools of thread, the shopkeeper hums a timeless melody passed down through generations. The rhythmic motion of his hands creates a symphony of productivity, a testament to the craftsmanship honed over decades. Every net he completes carries a piece of his soul, a dedication to the fishermen who rely on his work to bring home their daily catch. The shop, though small, stands as a beacon of tradition and resilience, a place where the ancient art of netmaking continues to thrive in the heart of a bustling community. His eyes, keen and focused, follow the intricate patterns as he ties each knot, ensuring the nets are strong enough. His fingers, calloused from years of work, move with practiced precision, knotting the sturdy fibers into intricate patterns. The rhythmic motion of his hands is almost meditative, a dance learned from generations before him. Each net he creates is a work of art.